The RY30 crack sealer kettle is the world's first enclosed dual-burner direct melting boiler. It's faster and safer than any other 30-gallon melter in the industry, guaranteed. It melts up to 50% faster than a traditional melter, and its enclosed burners mean no dangerous flameouts for you or your crew. It also uses 50% plus less propane too, so you save on fuel costs. The RY30 can melt enough rubberized crack filler to seal 9,600 linear feet per day. Just add in the rubber blocks, push the push-button igniter, no lighter needed, and get to work cleaning out the cracks. By the time you're done, you can fill a crack fill applicator, a pour pot, or a crack bander using the robust molasses valve on your dispenser of your RY30. Your crew will have hot and ready crack filler all day long. Control the temperature using dual valves and monitor it via its glycerine-filled thermometer. This machine can be attached to a truck or trailer, or it can stand free on a job site. The lid has a dual locking system for safe transportation between sites, and yes, you can have your unit operating while you're driving during transport. Invest in your business. Add the RY30 kettle to your arsenal and experience faster melt times with less money spent on fuel. Take on larger jobs, earn more profit per job, and grow your business with the workhorse of a machine. Call our toll-free number to speak with one of our friendly staff today about adding an RY30 kettle to your business. Like, comment, and subscribe below.